How to add text overlays on Openshot. Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video tackles text overlays in Openshot, a powerful tool for adding on-screen information, captions or highlights to your videos. Let's jump in. Navigate to the title menu here at the top of Openshot. Choose title or animated title for an animated one, or title for a plain text overlay. Similar to how we create titles, a new window pops up with the text box and preview area, and here type your overlay text and customize its appearance using the font size, color and color option. We can choose one of these templates, for example, for our video. Let's choose this one, and here it will show up with this preview. After clicking on save, after adjusting all these options, like for example, let's write my tutorial on Openshot. And like this, I can edit the font size or the font itself by changing the font text color, background color, or using advanced editor. By clicking on save, we have our text overlay right here in our files. We can use that text overlay over any video or over any picture or in any moment of this timeline. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.